Enchanté.
This is a public service announcement. Drink more water and sound amazing in web calls. How much water you drink does affect your voice quality. How dry your office is also will have an impact. We don't often think about adjusting our office space to make it more vocally friendly, but here are a few top pointers to take care of vocal ergonomics. My first suggestion is to pop a bottle or carafe on your desk. Now, because I'm a little snooty la-la, I like to drink my water from a glass rather than swig from a bottle when I work at home. So what I do is plonk a carafe on the desk next to my glass. This keeps me drinking. Water, that is. I want to remind you to aim for 2.5 to 3 litres of water daily. The next simple strategy that may require a small investment is to get yourself a humidifier and position it right next to your workstation. This will increase the overall humidity in your office, keeping your voice fresher, especially if you're in back-to-back meetings. Just make sure you keep that baby clean. Mold can build up, so wash it out carefully daily. See, humid environments keep the muscle of the voice moving more symmetrically, which in turn makes a clearer sound, thus preserving your voice throughout the day. My final pointer is this: don't miss out on the coffee if you like it. While preparing this little shot for you, I just couldn't bring myself to tell you to skimp on the coffee. Unfortunately, I have research to back this recommendation up. A systematic review, the gold standard of all reviews, found no voice quality reduction in caffeine drinkers. So on that note, I'm off to scull my little shot for the day. Have a great day, stay hydrated and vocally fresh, and thank you so much for watching.
Enchanté.